Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to connect Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. So to get started with easy workaround on how you can easily connect your Coinbase to your Coinbase Pro. So to get started, go to the pro.coinbase.com or open the Coinbase Advanced Trade in the Coinbase app. Then from there, sign in using the same email password as your Coinbase account. Then open the Coinbase Pro, then click deposit. Then from there, choose the crypto you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then select Coinbase account as the source. So enter the amount and click deposit. Then your fund will instantly appear in your Coinbase Pro for trading. So to move your fund back, click withdraw and select your Coinbase account and confirm. And that's how you can easily connect Coinbase to your Coinbase Pro. Or find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.